Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to apply for Esaad card or how you can check eligibility for this. So guys, go to this website, Dubai Police Government, and go to this Esaad offers. As you can see here, click register. Click on register. As you can see here guys, you find this information, your last name and your email address and your first name, as you can see here, and write your email and choose your preferred English language is English, and write your number mobile and click the city. If you are from Dubai, click the Sharjah and as you can see here, and select your address and click your Emirates ID number and select captcha image, as you can see here, and click submit. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.